Airĩtu arĩa maragia nda cia tene kana marĩa nini mwena wa Sirisia mũhaka-inĩ wa Kenya na Uganda kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma nĩ thiĩte na mbere na kuongerereka. Anyiti itemi a gĩthomo na ateteri a ihoto cia ciana kaunti-inĩ ĩno makiuga ũkĩa nĩ ũndũ ũmwe ũracũngĩrĩria ciana kũrika mũtondo-inĩ wa ciĩko itagĩrĩire na mũthia macũngĩrĩra nĩ airĩtu aingĩ kuoha nda. Anyiti itemi a gĩthomo mwena ũyũ maugĩte ciana nyingĩ iria ciumĩte mĩciĩ itehotete nĩ irandĩkwo mawĩra marĩa nini gwetha ũboco wa kwĩrũgamĩrĩra.
Teenage pregnancy is a big problem in Bungoma, and even the Governor Lusaka is very privy to this. I think there was a time he really spoke about it because it is really causing a lot of problems to us, and especially from the poor households. You realize a kid from a rich family, they really wouldn't suffer so much with the issues of teenage pregnancy. But in a poor home, you realize maybe the parents, there's nothing they can do about the feeding of the child, about the safety of the child, about the options maybe they could have with the child. They are really left with no choice.
And since the border of Uganda, there are so many businesses going on which maybe may overtake our boys for the sake of maybe looking for money, for the sake of idling around, selling of brewery and whatever. But you have taken your initiative to pump into this particular foundation something that is going to help these learners, something that is going to help this community and the communities around here.
Gĩkundi gĩkĩ kĩa Murakwa Foundation kĩhũrĩte kambĩ thukuru-inĩ cia mwena ũyũ kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe na gũtabania mathako ma kũrehe hamwe ciana cia airĩtu na cia imwana na kũmathomithia bata wa kũgirĩrĩria kuoha nda na mogwati marĩa mangiumana nacio.
The reason why we are here today is as you know, we are in the school holidays, the August holidays. Most kids are at home right now, and what we do at Murakwa Foundation is we try to empower young girls and young boys in Sirisia constituency, Mount Elgon, so that we can have less early pregnancies, less school dropouts, because we realize that if as a community, those of us who are here in this community don't come back and give back to the community, we are going to lose a generation, and that is why we are here. Up at Kibindoi Leo, as you can see, there are kids playing. We use games, and also we use what can I call them, empowerment talks to reach to these young kids.
He said we need a sport so that we can bring these kids together. So we use netball as a sport to bring them together, where we now teach them about teenage pregnancy. And they've had a lot of learning this week, from the courses to the effects of teenage pregnancy, how to avoid teenage pregnancy. And the girls have had a very, very good session. I've visited them in their various training centers, and you could really see the passion and the questions they have had for a long time not answered.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo, maugĩte rĩrĩ nĩ itemi rĩbatiĩ kũnyitwo nĩ aciari, ateteri ihoto cia ciana na makĩria thirikari nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra njata cia airĩtu anini tinorĩra.
We have taught about early teenage pregnancy that can affect our education, health, and our future opportunities. So we have taught that we should make education fast so that we can achieve our goals and dreams.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ni njĩtagwo Waithĩra Nduati wa Mwangi.